Clickworker is a popular microtasking app that lets you earn money online by completing small digital jobs. The platform offers tasks like data entry, web research, text creation, product categorization, and even AI training jobs, such as labeling images or transcribing audio. Most tasks are quick and pay anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars, with larger projects available once you build up experience. Getting started is simple. You sign up, fill out skill assessments, and the app matches you with tasks. Payments are processed weekly through PayPal or SEPA transfer once you hit the minimum balance, which is usually around $10. User feedback is mixed. Many people like the flexibility and the fact that you can work from anywhere, but others say the pay is low compared to the time spent. The availability of tasks also varies a lot depending on your location, which can make earnings quite inconsistent. So, if you're looking for a full-time income, Clickworker won't really cut it, sadly. However, as a side hustle or a way to pick up extra cash in your spare time, it's a straightforward and a legit option. What app do you want reviewed next from us? Let us know in the comments below, like this video if you like it, and subscribe for more awesome content. I'll catch you in the next video.